Okay, so today we have another problem. This problem is from thermal and statistical physics. The pressure of a non-relativistic free Fermi gas in three dimensions depends at t equals to 0 on the density of fermions nh. So how can you solve this particular problem? So we can write the Fermi energy expression in three dimension. EF is equals to h cut square by 2m 3 pi square n by v to the power 2 by 3, or h cut square by 2m. N by v is the number density, so 3 pi square small n. So here small n is the number of fermions per unit volume or density of free Fermi gas. So we have to find out the pressure. So we can utilize the pressure expression. Now the total energy of the free Fermi gas in 3D, what will be its value? E is equals to, we know the value is 3 by 5 times EF into NEF. So this is equals to 3 by 5 N. EF is equals to h cut square by 2m 3 pi square N by V to the power 2 by 3. So this is the total energy of the free Fermi gas, and you know the pressure expression, pressure of non-relativistic Fermi gas. Pressure expression is equals to minus del E upon del V at constant n. This is the expression of pressure. So if you apply this formula, what you get? This is equals to minus 3 by 5 n into h cut square by 2m, and whatever non-v term 3 pi square n to the power 2 by 3, this much is remaining, and v 1 by v to the power 2 by 3, so v to the power minus 2 by 3, so minus 2 by 3 v to the power minus 2 by 3 minus 1, so v to the power minus 5 by 3 हो गया, and minus 3 by 5 n h cut square by 2m 3 pi square n to the power 2 by 3, and minus minus plus, so it becomes 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 and v to the power minus 5 by 3. Okay, n and 1 plus 2 by 3, it is also 5 by 3, so n by v, so proportional to n by v to the power 5 by 3, so it's is equals to n to the power 5 by 3. So it is matching with option A. Option A is the correct option for this question.
Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code FELIXHub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.